let me show you a tool that creates UGC-style videos in a simple and straightforward way. And I think that that's important because not everyone wants to spend hours tweaking their creative direction, finding the right camera angle, lighting, and stuff like that. And this tool makes a lot of those creative decisions for you, like the structure, pacing, style, presentation. A lot of it is already baked in, so you can move faster without building everything from scratch. This is more for business owners, marketers, people who sell on Amazon or run their online stores, and they just need a good, usable video fast. Because you have a product, you have your message, and you just need a content. And you want to get it done without becoming director or editor or any kind of prompt engineer overnight. So what I am speaking about is CreateUGC, which is a brand that lets you create UGC-style video in a good quality, and they have built-in systems and pre-made visuals for you to go fast. Now, once you log in, it looks like this. I really like that the interface is not too cluttered or crowded. You simply know where to click, and there is no overload of unnecessary features that you actually don't even need. Now, here you can see that they have quite a long list of already made avatars that look realistic. The lighting is on point, it's believable, and this is the look that you actually need and you are up to. Then, since this is, let's say, UGC-style social media content, they have a bunch of inspirational videos which are presented from social media accounts just to give you some idea, or when you don't have any inspiration, you can browse and take idea from one video, another idea from another video, put it together and create one of your own. I won't be covering everything in this video, but what I want to do is to show you two main ways of how you can really quickly and easily create UGC-style content without being creative director. And I will be doing that on this product, which I found on Amazon. No affiliation, I don't even have a dog, and I didn't even know that something like that even exists. I just like the packaging, so I took it. So what are those two ways? One is a bit more manual and one is a little bit more automated. What I need to do now is just to save the image so I can work with it. And then on CreateUGC, you will go to My Videos, you will create a new one. And here you can see what I meant. You can either provide it with a link and it will go to Amazon, it will take out information and it will build it out for you based on information that is there, based on images that are there, and it's really fast. So if you already have your landing page or Amazon page or e-commerce store page done, you can take advantage of that. Now, let's maybe try this first. I will go here and I'm gonna copy link. Then in here, I will paste the link. And below that, you have some options to tell it what type of video do you want. Either a character would respond to certain B-roll images, or they would have the product itself in hand and they will be speaking about it, presenting it in natural way. And you can also pick which model should be doing that. Now I think I'm gonna use Clink, hit continue. Now it started to collect the data and it will present you with the initial brief. Here you can see it is done. It retrieved product name, description from Amazon page, and also banners that are there. Here you are tasked to select the image you want to use in the video. I think I'm gonna go with the product of the image itself. Next. Then you can pick whether you want 9:16 or 16:9. This really depends on what you intend to do with the video. If you want to post it on, I don't know, TikTok, Instagram, or do you want to use it on your website as a supporting content? So maybe for this version, I will go with 16:9. Then you can specify the language, but I'm gonna keep it with English. And you can set the duration. I'm gonna go with 10-second duration. Let's hit next. And at this stage, you will pick your actor, your character. They have quite a lot of them. So just, I don't know, pick one that you think might fit. I will try this one. Here you can pick and change the voice if you want, but I don't see much point in that. I will keep it with what's default there. Hit next. And now it's generating the script for you. Here you can see my dog thought coconut oil was a treat. Now she's got more zoomies and shinier coat than ever. Little pause. Seriously, your pup needs this magic. Try it now. If you are okay with it, let it run. If you want to rewrite it, here you can simply correct any possible mistakes, or you can also check the selling version. I gave my dog this coconut oil and wow, her energy and digestion improved. It's way more selling than professional. Something like safe. It's an easy, effective upgrade, definitely worth adding to our routine, but I will go with funny version. Hit next. Your script is saved, and now you will just confirm your video. I will do that. Generate, and it got loaded here in a queue, and you just need to wait for the video to be generated. But now, let's say we want to try it a little more manually. You will click New Video, and let's use Add Product Manually. That would apply if you don't already have your product page ready, but you have the information. Now I'm gonna copy the name, I'm gonna copy product description, which should be somewhere here. Then below it, you will upload your own image of the product. I already downloaded it, so I can drag it this way. Let's hit continue. And now, to show you the difference, I'm gonna stick with 9:16, English language, 8 seconds, because this one is generated on top of Google Veo 3 model. Next, again, you can pick your character. They have quite a lot of them, and I think this time we can go with a male character. Let's do maybe this guy. Again, I will stick to default voice that is already there. Hit next. Your script got created automatically out of description you have pasted in. Now we can maybe use a little more professional. Hit next. And now just confirm exporting your video. Hit generate. This way we have 2 videos in production, but you can for sure tell that the steps necessary to get the video done are really easy. Imagine just redirecting every single generation to your Amazon page or product detail page. It will take out information, and then you just did a couple of clicks. You will pick the actor, or you will pick the same actor all over the time, and in a couple of minutes you can put in production dozens of UGC style videos. My advice would be to always stay present in the loop, so check the scripts, read it, don't rely on it to be perfect all the time. AI is never that. It's really good now, but sometimes it introduces a weird phrasing word or something that it misunderstood and is incorrect information. You need to fix that. And it same applies with video generation. Even when your script is ready and on point, go and watch it. listen to it. Make sure that the result you are using is correct. Now the videos are ready. Let's watch them. First, it will be landscape version.
My dog thought coconut oil was a treat. Now she's got more zoomies and a shinier coat than ever. Seriously, your pup needs this magic. Try it now.
Well, I really think that this result is good. If the lighting is good, consistent, with something like that, you cannot step on the wrong stone. It just serves the purpose. And what I especially like is the ending where once she stops speaking, there is at least a second of her being present in the screen, which is really important when you want to add, I don't know, ending screen or something like that, maybe a CTA button. That matters. Sometimes if it's not done right, video will be cut right after the last word, and then it might be a little pain to work with that after. Now let's check portrait version.
Zesty Paws coconut oil gave my dog a noticeably healthier coat and more energy. Definitely worth trying for your pet.
Now, this one also looks quite great. There was a cut introduced, which is not a problem. Just like a different take, it adds a little bit of realism to it. However, if you don't like it and you would want maybe for the battle to be present there all the time, just hit rerun and it will be generated as a new video with a different voiceover maybe to test it, because you can scale the production this way. And again, it looks safe, clean, visuals are not distorted, the lip sync is good, and this is the added value of this tool, that they did the work for you. Yes, you cannot simply prompt the guy to have different hat or to be standing, I don't know, somewhere else, but it's already pre-trained to look good for you. You don't need it. You are not creative director, or you are, but sometimes you need to go fast. You have your business to run, and if you can save some time, time is money. And there is one more thing I would like to show you, because, I don't know, imagine that you have this video and you want to add some text there. Just a simple text that, I don't know, expands on what's discussed in this video. Here you can see you can add text, and already in certain, I don't know, visual style. Coconut oil, you can like rewrite it, coconut, or I don't know, let's say buy now, because you want it to appear by the end, which I mentioned before, that there is a second or something like that of track that is exactly fit for this. Now just drag it where it needs to be and hit play.
Dog thought coconut oil was a treat. Now she's got more zoomies and a shinier coat than ever. Seriously, your pup needs this magic. Try it now.
And you see buy now is there, maybe here, maybe here. You can also upload images, so if you want to have your logo there, you can do it. If you want to try something else, you can see there is quite a lot of options here. And if you end up like filling it with text and maybe logos, just hit render video and you will get your videos with, I don't know, CTA button, text and logo, or whatever you need to be there. Now, I really don't think there is much more to that. It's really that simple, and it serves the purpose for those who need to go fast and they don't have patience or need to tweak every single detail just to look exactly like they want. No, this output is believable, it's safe, and it works. It's up to you to decide. And that's it. Now go and check it out on CreateUGC. I have left the link in the description below, and it's free for you to try. Stay tuned for another one.